What is your biggest Uno reverse? When I proposed to my fiancé, the time I had to meet her parents again for dinner, they started our conversation about how they want us to have a prenuptial agreement. I wasn't surprised because both of them are doctors. She came from a white-collar, upper-class family. And from what they know at that time, their daughter will marry a blue-collar worker. They wanted to make sure she is protected. My fiancé works as a primary school teacher. She makes roughly $48,000 a year and doesn't have any assets or inheritance from her parents. When she came home, she told me about how her dad got us a lawyer to draft a prenuptial agreement. I had to give that lawyer the full list of my assets and debt, how much we have in our bank accounts, or any valuable things we own. That same week, we had to meet the lawyer. I arrived, and her parents were there too. They wanted to review the prenuptial altogether. I can remember the face they made when they realized that the person they looked down on for the past 4 years made more than the three of them combined. I told them that I am not a construction worker, but I own a commercial construction company. After signing the prenuptial, I drove them to my recent commercial projects downtown. Since then, they treated me better than their other son-in-laws.